USB-C explained, and why it became universal. One cable quietly took over everything. Phones, laptops, tablets, even monitors. This did not happen by accident. I noticed it the day my old charger stopped fitting almost anything new. It felt forced, and in many ways, it was. USB-C is not a brand and not a device. It is a connector standard, designed to replace dozens of old cables. USB, micro USB, mini USB, all gone slowly. What USB-C actually is? USB-C refers to the shape of the connector. Small, oval, reversible. No more flipping the plug, but the shape is only the surface. The real power is what runs inside. Here is the simple mechanism. USB-C is a port that can carry multiple technologies: power, data, video, and audio, all through one cable. According to official USB implementers' forum documents, USB-C can support USB data, DisplayPort, HDMI, and power delivery. This flexibility changed everything. Why devices moved fast? First reason: reversible design. People damage ports less and plugged faster. Small improvement, huge scale impact. Second reason: power delivery. USB-C supports USB power delivery. This allows higher wattage up to laptop-level power. One charger for phone and computer. This reduced charger clutter. Third reason: data speed. USB-C can carry USB 3, USB 4, and Thunderbolt, depending on the cable and device. Faster file transfers and external displays became easier. This is where confusion started. Not all USB-C cables are equal. Same shape, different capabilities. Some only charge, some transfer data, some handle video. This frustrated many users. Why everyone was forced. The push did not come only from tech companies. Government stepped in. The European Union mandated USB-C as a common charging standard. The goal: reduce electronic waste. According to EU Commission statements, millions of unused chargers were discarded yearly. Standardization reduced this. Apple resisted for years, then switched, not for performance, but compliance. This is why it felt sudden. USB-C is about systems, not convenience alone. What USB-C does not mean. USB-C does not guarantee fast charging. It does not guarantee fast data. It does not guarantee video output. Those depend on the protocol supported. This is the most misunderstood part. Real-world impact: fewer chargers, simpler desks, shared cables, but also more label checking. How to use USB-C correctly. Check device specs, not just the port. Use certified cables, especially for laptops. Match charger wattage to device needs. Tracking compatibility helps. One cable for phone, one high power cable for laptop. Label them. USB-C is not perfect, but it is progress. It unified chaos. Forced adoption, created clarity. If this explanation helped, tap like naturally. Technology works best when standards win. One port, many possibilities.